Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be making a simple tutorial on how to walk in Scratch. Super simple, it's barely any code and you can probably do it. So what you want to do is first we're just gonna do costumes. Make one move like this and make another duplicate of it, then make it the other way. So now you're moving. But now we're gonna have to code, but not in this one yet. So what we are gonna do is make a screen. You can do this kind, or we can do this type, but you can also do another type, which I'll be greatly editing this so you don't have to watch the whole thing of me doing this. Alright, so you can make it as dark as you want, but I chose not that dark. So now it has become this. Just make all the others pointed. If it comes out like a triangle, don't worry, you can change it to another shape using this tool that I'm using right now. So now make it bigger, but to not cause lag, we're gonna be making it convert to bitmap so it can cut everything off to the sides. I know this may look like it might not cause a lot of lag, but just in case. So now you do this. Convert to bitmap on the side, then convert it back to vector. Now what we're gonna do right now is make a show when clicked, and also go to X0 and Y0. So now you have a screen. But now you're gonna have to add a few more stuff, which you can copy the background and then name it mobile. So you can make a thing, you can just add text, but since I'm trying to do this in a rush, let's just do text. So what you want to do is put mobile. You can use any font you want by clicking the top right here. And so once you got that, you're gonna duplicate that and then change it to computer or PC. So I like to call it PC because it's shorter, but you can call it whatever you want. So now you got two buttons. What you're gonna do with them, it's the same as this. Just drag it into these and then you got the same code. But now we are gonna have to add something else. Like when the sprite clicked, broadcast mobile. Make a new message called mobile. Mobile or mobile. Accidentally spelled mobile to mobile, but that's okay. So then copy that into here and then change it to PC. So now we're going to be coding a bit more. So when I receive mobile and PC, hide and hide. So now we're going to put that in both of these. Did that do anything? No. Oh my god, why isn't this working? Okay, it's working now. Alright. So, now that you got that, let's test it. It works. Yes, but we're gonna need to do a lot more code than that. Make a few arrows for mobile. Let's name it left, because that's what we're starting with. Why does my thing always go down like that whenever I try to text? Alright, so now that we have all this, make an arrow that points left. I like to start with left because it's on the other side. You can group it if you want. You don't have to, because this is all you'll be putting in there. So, now that you have left, duplicate that and then call it right. You might know where this is going. So all you have to do is turn it sideways. Why is this dumb thing on my screen? Alright, fixed it. Alright, so I hate my save thing. Alright, so now that we got all that, we can finally do some more coding. Yay, I hate coding. Alright, so now put a hide in the left and right. But once I receive mobile, show. So once you got that, when you press mobile, this happens. But we also need a when clicked of also go to X0, and this goes to bro. And also this. So now it's not like that. We have this. A few mobile controls and a cat. So this is gonna get a little bit tricky, but once this sprite is clicked, broadcast left, like the name of the sprite. And then do the same with right, but make another broadcast as it has right. Name it right. So, now we got that, we are going to do some coding inside the cat. First, we are going to make your own block. Name one, move left by number. Once you got that, make another, which is move right by number. So once you got both of those, time to code. So move left by, it would equal this costume. So switch costume to costume 3. This one goes to costume 2. So once you got that, it does this. Yay. So now we're going to do some more coding, which is move steps by number. And also move number steps. So once you got both of those, you are going to make a clone, but put it on top of the move number steps, because that will make the clone stay at the original point. But what we're going to do now is when I start as clone, set ghost effect to whatever number you want that equals transparency. So what I want to do right now is 40. Now what you're going to do is wait as many seconds as you want. What I'm going to do is 0.01. And once you got that, you are going to do a repeat. Repeat for how many times it takes to get back. For mine, it's 6. But you can change it however you want. But the reason I chose 6 is because I am doing a repeat 10. You can make it go slower if you want, like about 0.3. And then once it hides, it will go into delete. Delete this clone. So now that we got that, we might have a few bugs, but I think it's finished. Let's try it. When I receive left, move left by, how about 10, for example? And copy that. But you're literally going to change both of those things. Move right by 10. Oh, wait, I forgot something with the left. Since the left goes backwards, you are going to move. This time we're using operators for now. Use 1 minus number. So now it goes backwards. Or negative if you want. So let's test it. Hold on. When clicked, switch costume to costume 1. Go to 0.0 and show. Alright, there. Once we got all that, use this. Oh, yes, I forgot a few things. Once you have all that, wait as many seconds as you want to go back to that costume that you had before. So, now that you got that, copy it into the same one, and now you have that finished. Should we test it? I think we should. Now go to mobile if you want to test out these. Yes, that works. Okay, so it goes backwards and it goes frontwards. Okay, so if you want it better, then you can make the clone go backwards from number to make it see the clone as behind it, which is where its original point was. It's kind of wanky, but it's okay. What if I just do this and drag them both to the middle? So you got this and this. This, 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 this. Alright, that works. I'll see you guys.